Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can add Facebook Pixel to Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you want to do is of course go here into Shopify and log in into your Shopify account. And one way to do that is go to your browser and then type Shopify, or go Google it. Here in Shopify, you have to click here. And then once you are here in the website of Shopify, you have an option to start your free trial right here. But if you already have your account, then you could just go here to shopify.com. Let's just see. Here you can log in right here, or you could start your free trial. But I recommend if you're a new one, then start your free trial right here. Then you could just enter your email address. Then after that, it would ask for some simple informations about you, and that's it. You would be successfully creating your account. After that, it's very quick and simple. So once you have created an account, you should be here. You should appear here, and you'll see all of this one, because this account is it's really new. And as you can see here, your trial just started, which means I just created this account for this demonstration. So let's get started. Here in apps, we want to go here in apps because we want to add a Facebook Pixel app here in our Shopify. So let's type Facebook here. And as you can see here in the Shopify App Store, these are the results of Facebook. There are a lot of apps here from 1 to page 27, so there are a lot, but what you want to choose is this one, Facebook and Instagram with the Meta logo in it here. And as you can see, the developer is Meta, so this is one way to make sure it's legit and it's the right one for you. So let's go and open it or add it if that's the option for you, but it says open app right here because I have already added it earlier. So here, as you can see right here, we are now here. We want to start setup because we want to start selling on Facebook and Instagram. So this is the start one. So let's go click here. And now here we are in set up your shop. So what you want to do here first is to make sure that you have logged in your Facebook account here in facebook.com. Here you want to enter your email and your password for your Facebook, and make sure your account has the pages in it that you want to connect to your Shopify or for Facebook Pixels. So you want to log in your account there. And after you have logged in your account in the browser, then there's no need for you to keep the Facebook app running here in the tabs. You don't need it anymore as long as you have recently logged in here in the past and you haven't logged it out, and then it's gonna be fine. So here we are in set up your shop. In Facebook account, we want to go and click on connect account here, and after connect account, this would appear right here. But if it's your first time connecting an account, there would be some permissions that would pop up, but it's really quick and simple. It just takes a click to finish. So here, as you can see, this is what appears to me because I have these pages in my Facebook account. And as you can see, it says here Shopify and some code here, Meta Business account, because I have connected this to my Meta Business account, and it has a Facebook Pixel feature in it, and that is a way you can tell if your page has a Facebook Pixel. So how do you add this? You first need to go to business.facebook.com here, and you want to go to all tools, and as you can see here, there are a lot of options here in engage audience, manage, advertise, analyze and report, sell products and services, but we want to go here in events manager. Here in events manager, let's just wait for it to load. Here, this would not appear like this when you first when you first go here. It would ask for this one. It would ask to connect data services, and you would have these choices here. And as you can see, I don't have business option right here, so you can only create one Pixel account, and I have created one, and the indicator is right here. I have created one right here, so I can add any more web because I used it for Shopify. So what you want to do is choose web, because you are using a Shopify account to connect your Facebook pixel to. So you should choose web, and then it would ask you to provide your Shopify website, and you should just provide it, and then you just need to go connect, and you would appear here. This would be your page as it looks like. So once you're done with that, once you're done adding your data sources, let's go back into Shopify and let's choose an account right here. So here in the business assets, let's say this one, I want to collect this one, then let's just tick here and connect right here. And as you can see, this is the web that I created earlier here in Meta, right here, and I want to select that, and then we could connect that one right here. As you can see, just to explain this, as you can see, this one is now connected to my Meta business account because this is what I selected earlier in the process. And this is an indication that it has successfully been connected. Here in the data sharing, you want this to be you want to choose enhance. You want to choose this one, because when you first complete this process here in the business assets, this would pop up right here. Then you want to choose enhanced, and then you want to view details, and you don't want to touch that, and then you just want to click on save. After you have done that, click on save. Here you can now connect a pixel to track customer behavior. So what you want to do is create new, and here, as you can see, it has created a new pixel to track customer behavior. And after all of that, you just need to click on confirm. Here in the terms and conditions, you just need to accept Facebook sellers agreement to sell your products on Facebook or Instagram. You'll also need to accept Facebook tools terms to create a pixel, and you want to just tick here, and you want to submit it for review. You want to go here, and you just want to take that, let that finish. And it says please don't refresh this page, so don't refresh it. Let's just wait for it. And here, as you can see, it is in progress because it is currently loading. And after that, after this is finished, you can now customize your shop on Facebook. You can add everything in it, a description or what you want to sell. And here it is. It says we're reviewing your Facebook sales channel. You're finished setting up your shop on Facebook or Instagram, and you'll be able to start selling in a few moments. So let's go click on done. Right here, it's now on review. Once it's finalized, you will be able to shop on Facebook or set up your shop. And you could also run your ads on Facebook and Instagram with this Facebook pixel. And here you need to verify your shop. As you can see, I haven't verified mine because this is just a dummy shop, so this shouldn't appear to you. But if it does, then you need to start your verification first so that this would be approved. So what you want to do to check that is go here in Events Manager. Right here, you want to go back here again, and once you have successfully added Facebook pixel into your Shopify, this should appear right here. This should appear. If this doesn't appear, then you are not doing it right. So here, another tip that I can give you is go here to settings right here, or you could just simply go back into let's go to business.facebook.com, and here you want to go here, and as you can see, these are all the connected Shopify Facebook pixels to our Facebook pages. And as you can see, it is connected right here. If you're going to create a business account, you can also do so right here. It's very quick and simple. Here you just need to provide a business account name, your first name, last name, and your business email. So that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.